Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have water droplet exploration. Now all you need is a plate, maybe some foil or wax paper, something to put your water droplets on top of. You need a little bit of water, a straw, and then something that you're able to move and touch the water droplets with. So you could use a paintbrush, toothpicks, anything like that. So the first thing you need to do is take the straw, put the straw into the water, cover the top of the straw and trap the water inside. Then drop the water droplet onto the plate and go ahead and put several water droplets onto the plate, all spread out around so they're not touching. Then take your tool like your toothpick or your paintbrush and see if you can scoot the water droplet across the plate. When it gets closer to another water droplet, what happens? Does it make one? Does it like to stay apart? Or does it jump close to each other and create one big water droplet? So your job is to explore what happens when you move water droplets. Can you separate them? Can you make one big one? Can you have water droplet races with your family where you try to move them across the plate? The options are endless. Happy exploration. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Yes, yes.
Thank you to Hills Pet Nutrition for your support of Discovery at Home.